Well, hello again. Mark Emery here with the Lighthouse Law Club. Folks, I want to introduce you to private banking, privacy, and freedom. I put together a series of 8 videos which will allow you to drill down on the private asset management system that is being offered by the Lighthouse Law Club. And this relates exactly to the issues raised in the title, Private Banking, Privacy, and Freedom. I'm glad you could join me here, and you will be too if you give me a chance to give you a heads up on what I have in store for you, okay? You've got an opportunity to be the beneficiary of this series of 8 videos which I've put together, and this will open the door for you to enter into the realm of financial privacy, banking anonymity, and ultimately personal freedom, which is a result of all that. You probably already know about the private asset management system. We call it the PAMS system, which is available in the Lighthouse Law Club from another introduction that you may have seen on YouTube or elsewhere. Whether you do or not, it doesn't matter. This series of training videos contain information that is so powerful, it is highly sensitive, and it flies directly in the face of the traditional banking system, which is essentially set up to rape all of us. So for that reason, it's not just being put out to the public, helter-skelter, but rather we require that we put up a barrier to stop the looky-loos and the tire kickers and what amounts to the obvious troublemakers, which are always lurking out there. And we'll ask that you pay a nominal fee for temporary membership in the Lighthouse Law Club. And then we'll give you the opportunity to extend that membership after reviewing the series, should you choose to do so. If not, I guarantee you, you will learn a lot, and you will have gained some insights and training which you won't find anywhere else. It's taken me virtually a lifetime of experience, knowledge, training, trial and error to present to you what I have to present to you now. And this is the result of a lifetime of experience. You are the beneficiary. In this series, what you're going to find, the first video is proof. Banks are dangerous. Why are they dangerous? Many people are completely oblivious to the dangers that are lurking to your financial, business, and family future because of what the banks are doing. I will get into detail, and you will be very clear on why banks are so dangerous in today's day and age, and why you need to be seeking alternatives in the financial industry. Then we'll drill down on building your financial fortress with the Contractual Business Organization, an extremely powerful entity. And when you get through with this video, you will see exactly why. This presentation incorporates a high level of research and expertise combined with many, many years of practice. In fact, this entity has been used for generations by the super wealthy. Of course, they don't want you to know about it. You will if you participate in this program. Then we'll provide you with a detailed overview of the private asset management system. And in this overview, you will have the complete game plan and strategy as to how all the pieces are put together and what direction you would be headed in should you decide to take advantage of what's being presented. Okay? We will take a specific video presentation And we will drill down on privacy and anonymity, the difference between the two, and how those still can be achieved in the age when everyone is monitored and under surveillance. Every move you make is being checked. And only when you can achieve privacy and a certain amount of anonymity, depending on the activity, will you achieve the pillars to freedom. Now, in this particular video, I'm going to present to you some of the most astounding benefits that you would never even dream possible in today's day and age. And I would venture to say that once you know what's truly available, you might very well freak out. Just freak out. So this is a particularly interesting segment you won't want to miss. Then we'll get into the ultimate privacy vehicle. And there are a couple that we use in this system, but we're going to talk specifically about one particular vehicle and the jurisdiction that it's in, the laws that relate to it, what its history is and has been, and how that can work to your benefit in the overall strategy that you will already know about via the overview. Okay? This is an important presentation. Now, this series of videos is not only designed to instruct and advise and to inform, but it's also designed to really provide you with the ability to do some serious due diligence, right? You need to know what's involved, how it works, and in this particular video, who's behind this? Who are you dealing with? And in this presentation, I'll provide you with a complete background history, well, not complete, but substantial background history, photos, motivations, activities, with full transparency. All right, you need to know who's behind this, how this came about, what are the motivations, what is the credibility of what's gone into this, and from this presentation, you'll be able to make some determinations in that regard. Okay? And then lastly, we're going to show you about getting started as a global entrepreneur. If all of this makes sense, if you can see the value in what we're doing, and you make the decision that yes, this is something that you cannot pass up, if you decide that privacy and anonymity and freedom are important in your life, then we'll lay out the details on how to get started. Okay? That's only logical. So that's what you have to look forward to. Now, this is private. This isn't being put out to the public. This is available only to members, and the information is copyrighted. So there will be no recording. We ask that you not share this with anyone, that you not distribute it to anyone. If you're married, sure, your spouse can look on with you, but that's about as far as it goes. We'll be very strict on that. And your payment for the series pays for a temporary 1-week membership in the Lighthouse Law Club. And that will expire after 1 week. So once you subscribe to the program here, you've got 1 week to go through all the videos. If that week passes by and you haven't seen the videos, you'll have to subscribe again to see them beyond the 1 week period. Okay, so just be aware of that. So pay attention, take notes, and make a decision. Is this something you can see yourself doing or not? It may not fit a need that you have. It may not fit into the budget that you have. It may not provide you with sufficient information where you feel comfortable. And if you're not comfortable, you know what? You shouldn't do it. We find that informed individuals can make a proper decision, whether they're comfortable or not. And that's what this due diligence series is all about. Okay? Let me just make mention of the fact that we are offering a charter membership. This is pre-launch. We expect full launch on September 1st. which means between now and September 1st, we are offering a special charter membership. Charter membership is for visionaries who can catch the vision, they see the value, and they're willing to be an early mover on the program. All right, so this charter membership is a special one-time limited offer for early movers. You will receive a significant discount on the Lighthouse Law Club Global Entrepreneur Benefits Package, which will be explained in the series. Okay? I know you don't know about that now. You will when you get through with the series. So that will be available to you. That offer expires midnight Central Standard Time, August 31st, 2017. So come September 1st, the charter membership will have closed. All right? Be clear on that. If you're interested, inquire with us for details, and we'll be happy to present that. So, freedom is calling. It's very difficult to be free in an unfree world. But we've laid the path down for you, and now the question is, will you follow it? Get started. If you're not already looking at our page in Vimeo.com, then that's where you need to go to get access to the system. Vimeo.com/on-demand/PAMS, Private Asset Management System, PAMS. All right? Hope to see you there. Hope you can benefit from that, and we look forward to doing some great things and hope to have you on board. Take care, and God bless.